Hi, my name is Susan Burke from Interactive Lessons Design, and I'd like to speak with you about why your school should subscribe to my website. Student engagement needs to be our top priority, and the use of technology in the classroom really does engage our students. However, teachers simply don't have time to create interactive whiteboard lessons, so I've done that for you. On my site, you will find over 500 resources that are directly linked to the National Australian curriculum, plus new resources are added every week. My resources can be used on any interactive device with any interactive software. Your school has already made an investment in the purchase of your interactive whiteboards, so why not make sure your staff are using them to their full potential? Now let's have a look at how my site works. The first thing you need to do is use Google Chrome as your web browser. This will ensure that the files download correctly. So open up Google Chrome and type in the URL schools.interactivelessons.com.au. Go to the resources section and you'll notice that it's set out in lower, middle and upper primary, and there's also a premium section where you can find things like graphic organisers and thinking tools. Once your school has subscribed, you will receive a username and password for each staff member to use. One way to navigate the site is to simply browse the resources. So for example, go to Resources, Lower Primary, Mathematics, and scroll through the resources that are available. Once you've found one that interests you, you can go to Details, which gives a brief explanation about what the lesson is about. You can also click on the Preview button and have a look at some of the slides that are actually in the lesson before you download it to make sure it's what you're after. Then all you need to do is simply click on the green download button and you'll notice that the lesson will download very quickly. All lessons are created in Smart Notebook, but if your school doesn't use Smart Notebook, that's okay. Simply go up to here where it says don't have Smart Notebook, that's okay. Click on that green button and it will take you to Smart Notebook Express, which will allow you to open it online. A third way to navigate the site is to actually use the Australian Curriculum outcome codes. So to do that, you simply go to the Australian Curriculum Outcomes website, which is www.australiancurriculum.edu.au, and search for the outcome that you are teaching. So go to your learning areas. If you're teaching English, click on English, and then you can find your grade level and find the outcome that you are working on. So for example, if you're looking at quotation marks, simply copy that outcome code, go back to my website, and in the search bar, paste the outcome code and press enter. And there you'll have a lesson that addresses that outcome. A special thing about the school subscription site is that schools have exclusive access to full units of work from other KLAs. So for example, you can go to units of work and see what's available. So far, there are science and history and cyber safety lessons, units rather. And also it works the same way with your searching. So if you're looking for a science outcome, a science unit of work, simply go to Science on the Australian Curriculum Outcome website. And if you're teaching foundation year, you might like to be looking at daily seasonal changes in the Earth and Spaces science. So you're going to copy that outcome code, go back to my site and paste it in, press enter, and if a unit has been created, it will be there for you to have a look at. And you can see the preview, and that's your entire unit of work done for you, ready to teach with exciting activities to do that will really engage your students and save you loads and loads of time. Okay, so another example of the lessons, an important aspect is to see that the lessons come with instructions. So if you're required to drag any numbers around or touch things to make them interactive, it will tell you exactly what to do. Okay, so what can you expect from a membership with my site? First of all, high quality, engaging interactive lessons directly relating to the new Australian curriculum outcomes. All the lessons are based on sound pedagogy and they incorporate multimodal approach to teaching and learning with a focus on multiple intelligences. New lessons are added to the site each week. You can even suggest and request lessons to suit the needs of your students. The site is very easy to navigate. There are multiple ways to search for and find the resources you want, and if you use Google Chrome as your internet browser, the files will download correctly and quickly. I pride myself on my customer service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm also available for professional development sessions. And here are some testimonials from some satisfied clients. I hope to hear from you very soon with regards to purchasing a school subscription. Thanks for listening. Bye now.